Stress and or anxiety are two issues we all experience, right? Play this video daily or whenever needed to naturally alleviate stress or anxiety. They are feelings of being overwhelmed or unable to cope. Stress affects our bodies in various ways, from headaches and fatigue to more serious health issues like high blood pressure and heart disease. That's why finding natural ways to manage stress is so important. Natural approaches can help us maintain balance and overall well-being without relying on medications. Now let's talk about deep breathing. Now, this simple technique can have a profound impact on our stress levels. Let's try a guided breathing exercise together. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your abdomen expand, then exhale slowly through your mouth. This activates the vagus nerve, which helps to stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting a state of calm and relaxation. Some teas can really relieve stress and anxiety, including but not limited to celery seed tea. Celery seed tea can act as a natural calcium channel blocker. Next, we'll explore grounding. One effective method is the 5-4-3-2-1 exercise. Let's do it together. Look around and identify 5 things you can see. Now 4 things you can touch. Next 3 things you can hear. Then 2 things you can smell. Finally, 1 thing you can taste. This exercise helps bring your focus back to the present moment, reducing anxiety and stress. Finally, let's delve into mindfulness. We'll start with a simple guided meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Focus on your breath and let go of any distractions. For beginners, it's helpful to start with just a few minutes each day. Over time, mindfulness can lead to positive changes in the brain, improving emotional regulation and reducing stress. Physical activity. It's more than just hitting the gym. Whether it's yoga, dancing, or simply walking, there are so many options to choose from. And remember, it doesn't have to be intense to be effective. Healthy habits play a crucial role in managing stress. Nutritious food fuels our bodies and minds, and getting enough sleep helps regulate stress hormones. It's all interconnected. Talking it out can be incredibly powerful. Connecting with others, whether through support groups or therapy sessions, can make a significant difference. Never underestimate the power of connection. Challenging thoughts can often lead to stress and anxiety, but understanding cognitive distortions can help. Cognitive distortions are irrational thought patterns that can reinforce negative thinking and emotions. For instance, you might think, "I'll never get this right," which is an example of all or nothing thinking. By reframing this thought to something more balanced, like, "I can learn from my mistakes and improve," you can reduce stress and foster a more positive outlook. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique that can help you unwind and reduce stress. Start by finding a comfortable position and taking a deep breath. Focus on one muscle group at a time, starting with your toes. Tense the muscles for a few seconds, then slowly release and feel the tension melt away. Gradually move up your body, tensing and relaxing each muscle group. With calming music playing in the background, this practice can bring a sense of peace and relaxation to your day. Creative outlets are a fantastic way to manage stress. Engaging in various forms of art, whether it's painting, writing, or playing an instrument, can provide an incredible emotional release. It's all about finding that activity that lets you express yourself and unwind. Now let's talk about creating a stress-busting routine. Incorporating several of these techniques into your daily life can make a significant difference. Think about starting your day with a few minutes of mindfulness, taking breaks to move around, and ending your day with some creative expression. It's all about finding what works best for you and making it a habit. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind. First, the importance of self-compassion cannot be overstated. Be kind to yourself, especially during tough times. Second, consider stress tracking through journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you identify patterns and triggers. And finally, know when to seek professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health professional. We encourage you to try the techniques that resonate with you. And hey, why not share your experiences in the comments below? We'd love to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content on managing stress naturally. Thanks for watching.